So welcome to Ryan Virtual School.
Virtual.
Welcome to Ryan Virtual School. So this is the class for 5th standard and 6th standard combined. So all of you know about our website, no? RyanVirtualSchool.com. If you go to Ryan Virtual School,
Yes,
select Ryan.
yes.
When you select Ryan grades, there are already classes, videos, and games, etc. for all the students, and it's all for free. You can go there anytime and click your class. Like you're from 5th and 6th now. If you select 6th standard, if you go inside, if you select 6th standard, you can see the games and animations, slideshows, etc. for your grade. It's by Macmillan, one of the leading textbooks of India. They're providing CBSE text for so many schools. So you can see worksheets, animations, slideshows, mind map, games. And for English and for mathematics also, you can see so many solution junction, correction corner. If you click at any gaming portal, games will pop up and you can play games. And you can see videos for different grades and subjects, science, social, maths, etc. So this is about our website. And
Sir, your voice is not audible.
hello, is it clear now? Hello,
Yes, sir.
is it clear now? Can you hear me? Everyone can hear me?
It is. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So that was a brief introduction about our website. Now we'll move on. We will go to today's topic. Today I'm gonna talk about energy forms and changes. Some of you might have already seen this in the yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yes.
today we are seeing about energy forms and changes. When you click, you can see energy. Like energy is stored in all the objects. So we'll see one or two examples before moving to the next round. So if there is an iron block, if you put it on top of an object and if you heat it, you can see it's getting energy. And what is this energy generated? Can anybody tell me? And what is this energy generated called?
Thermal energy.
It's heat energy. So we can use this heat energy for different purposes. Like this is used in iron box and all. You might have seen old iron boxes where you put fire inside. Use it for ironing clothes and all. Have you seen it? Have you seen that iron box? So you see, like, what will happen if I heat water? What will happen? Can you tell me?
Vapor.
Yeah, it will turn to vapor. We'll see an example here. If I'm heating water here,
Vapor.
you see water is getting energy. And
Okay, sir.
now instead I will remove the iron blocks and I will keep olive here, olive oil. Both I'm heating both water and olive oils. Now see the water, it's already started vaporizing. You can see water vapors going up. Can you see it, everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And olive is
Yes.
still like that. It's not started vaporizing yet. It's taking its own time. Now olive also started. Olive oil also is started vaporizing. You see this difference. Also you can see. Now I want to talk about three: solid, liquid, and gas. You have seen solid before. I've shown you iron.
Yes.
What will happen if I heat iron?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
heating water and iron. We'll see what happens. iron I'm heating and water also I'm heating. Will iron turn to vapor? Anybody can tell? Will iron turn to vapor if I'm heating like this?
No.
What will it turn to?
No.
What will happen to iron if I am continuously heating it?
Iron will be more heated.
And melt.
What will happen? Yeah, it will start melting. Melting, and melting means like it will turn to liquid.
Okay, sir.
So there are like 3 states of matter. One is solid, and this is liquid, and you can see here
Okay, sir.
vapor. Now what I want to tell you is all these forms can be used to make energy. Now we'll go to the systems. Now have you seen using electricity at home? No, how you're getting electricity? How electricity is produced in Kerala?
Cable.
How is it produced?
By
From water.
From water, how you're getting electricity?
There will be a wheel which we push and it will
water.
change mechanical energy into electrical energy.
Yeah, we are converting mechanical to electrical energy. Now I will show you a small sample. Imagine this is coming from a pump. Now I'm switching on the water. Now water is coming, because of that this turbine is rotating. Now instead of this is a water heater, instead of that I am using a bulb. You see, now it started glowing. Now I'm switching off the water for 1 minute. It's not rotating now. Now the bulb is off. Bulb is off. Now I am turning the water on. When the water is coming, this starts rotating. So this is a mechanical energy. Now that is been converted to electrical energy and it is transferred to bulb. Now what bulb is glowing? Because it's getting energy. Now you see here energy. Now there is an energy here which is being converted to electrical energy. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yes.
Now you
Yes,
see
sir.
this gray is mechanical
Yes,
energy.
sir.
This blue is electrical energy. Now red is thermal energy. Now what is thermal energy?
Orange is thermal energy.
When energy is passing through this, it's getting heated up, like the iron box, no? It's getting heated up. That is why it's thermal energy. And this is E is light energy. You know what is light energy, no?
Yes.
Energy from light.
Energy from, there is a light energy also, heat energy, thermal energy also is there, electrical energy is there, and this is mechanical energy. Now you understood the working of this dams, how we are getting electricity to home. This electricity can be used for heaters also.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now I will tell you one more thing before going to that. Before I told you, now here we are getting thermal energy also. This is getting heated up. This is old electric bulbs. Now you see, now we use bulbs like this, no?
90% thermal energy.
Yes.
If you're connecting a fan here, you will see the difference. Now mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy and it is given to the fan. Now the fan, what is it? Again, it is a mechanical energy. When you are rotating it, similar to this, mechanical energy is produced. We can use this for different purpose also. Now can you tell me, like apart from dams, how we are getting electricity? What are the different sources of electricity?
From wind. From wind.
From wind is there. Wind is like
From
similar.
wind.
Wind is similar. When we give like this,
Solar cell.
solar is there. Now we will see how solar is working. Conversion of energy. Okay.
Solar. Okay.
For solar, what we
Yes.
use?
Solar panel.
We use solar panel.
Solar
So we'll connect a solar panel here. Now I want to switch this
panel.
light on. What will we do? We need what? Sunlight we need. No, we don't need water here. If we on water also, nothing will
We need
happen.
sunlight.
We need sunlight. So we will change the water to sunlight. Now sunlight is coming, it is falling on the solar panel. Now we'll see. Sunlight is a light energy, so it's like yellow color. Now panel is getting electrical energy and it is going to the bulb. Now you see bulb is on.
Yeah.
You understood
Yes,
the
sir.
working? Light
Sir,
energy
yes.
from the sun is going to the solar panel, and from the solar panel electrical energy is produced and it is being sent to the light. Now the light has like light is on, and now there is thermal energy and light energy. Understood? Now what will
Yes.
happen if it's raining? Clouds will come. Now what will happen? Clouds can stop the sunlight. You see, now it's not falling.
No.
So that is one issue. When there are clouds, it's very difficult. Now we'll see another form of
Yes.
electricity.
Excuse me, sir. If you could please raise your input volume.
Hello, can you hear now? Is it okay now? Hello?
Yes.
It's just okay. Actually, it is not very much audible.
We will send you one video also after this. I think the audio you can understand from that also. I think there will be connection problems also always.
Okay, okay.
We will send you video of the same thing after this. Now we will see how to use thermal energy. Like from heat, we can produce electricity. That also we'll use a mechanical turbine only. Now what if I'm heating this? Just see. Heat in like now mechanical energy is going. Now inside this it is heat energy. You can see thermal energy. And what will
Yeah.
happen? It's been converted to vapors, and vapors now it's rotating the turbine. Electrical energy is produced. Now the lights are on. Do you understand? Are you understanding this? It's pretty easy.
Yes.
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 Now,
Yes.
now I want you to make some energy. For that, just steam turbine. What if we are connecting it to the wheels of a bicycle? Just see our energy, human energy, is being converted to mechanical energy, because our energy, in the sense, our chemical energy from the food we eat and all, we are able to do this cycling. And then see, we have to feed when we eat, we'll get energy, and that energy is converted to mechanical energy. The mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy, and that is being converted to light energy.
Thermal energy.
You see here, our energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy, light energy. Everyone understood the concept?
Yes.
Forms and changes in energy. Now we'll see a little more about gases. Actually in the atmosphere, when you see like that is the more concentration. So small properties of gas, we'll do that also in this class before stopping. Okay. Now, have you filled air for your tires and all, bicycles and everything?
Yes.
Yes, sir, we have.
What is happening at that time? Air has been transferred to the tube.
Tires.
Now I will do the same thing here. I will use the pump and I'll fill some air inside this box. I'm using the pump and I'm filling air inside this box. And these are like what? Gas molecules. Gas.
Yes.
Now I have filled air. I will keep a stopwatch here. I have filled air. Now I'm seeing the time also. It's all gas molecules inside this thing. I have filled air. Nothing much is happening. It's inside the box. Now what I'm eating is like I'm going to heat this. Now you see the pressure has increased and the lid has been opened. It broke. Now same thing, when we are putting air inside the balloon and all, why the balloons are breaking after some point is if it's get more air, and also one more thing is like the heat. It's getting through, like when we are like when we are doing it with our mouth, the heat it's getting and the pressure it's increased and balloon breaks sometime. Now I'm putting more air. One more example. I'll put air inside this thing. I'm pumping air. Now what if I'm if I heat it, it will become faster. Now what if I'm like making it cool? Like what is happening? What is happening now?
The rapidity decreases.
Yeah, it's getting like it's trying to be stable. It's trying to be at one position instead of running. Like if I'm heating, it's like always running. But then
It
when
is
I'm,
becoming
yeah, it's trying to be at one place. And what will happen if I'm keeping it like that? It will turn to solid. Similar principle is used in refrigerators. When you keep water inside the refrigerator, it's gas molecules like loosely packed, so it runs everywhere. But when it turns to liquid, it's little more settled. But when you keep it in fridge for long time like this, it won't move at all. Then it will turn to solid. So these are the three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Did you understand about solid, liquid, and gas completely? Everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Any doubts?
Yes.
No.
You see, now
No.
it's like completely stable. Now it is a solid.
the molecules are solidizing.
Yeah, it's solidizing because I'm cooling it.
Cooling.
See, now it's not moving. Now I am not cooling it again. Now it's not moving. Now it will start moving when if I take the ice cubes out to the room temperature, there will be a little heat like this. Then it will start to melt. Now it's still solid. I am keeping it still solid. Still solid. You see, slowly it starts moving. The molecules you can see. Slowly it's starting. Very slowly it's starting. So it will first turn to water. Then it will turn to gas. The molecules will.
Yes.
So these are the different forms of energy and properties of gas. Now today we learned like how to get electricity from water, from solar, from thermal energy, and from mechanically cycling and other activities, human activities, and we have learned about gases also. So how is the classes? Is it interesting? Are you understanding
Yes.
better?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So it
so
is very interesting and we can I can understand it.
okay, so we will next day we will move to more topics in a similar way. It will be interesting for you. So this is the class for today. So any doubt and all, you can post in our
Okay,
WhatsApp
sir.
group. I will post the video of this class also in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you
sir.
everyone for
Okay, sir.
joining, and please post the doubts
Thank
and
you,
all in the
sir.
group. If you have any doubt, you
Okay,
can
thank you,
post.
sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
ഇതിന്റെ വീഡിയോ ഇപ്പം ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ഇട്ടേരെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ?